So, we are at video number 3. And, oh, I'm sorry. I got caught up. This video is for NatureBox. This is my first NatureBox that I have ever received. So, I'm a little excited about it because I love healthy snacks. Like, I'm a snacker and I try not to eat like candy and things like that. I do like desserts. I'm not gonna say I don't, because I do. So this is the box, and this is the deluxe box, which has 5 packages of snacks in it. Full-size packages, NatureBox brand. It is generally $19.95 a month, but I did get it for half that price. And so, yeah. And there's usually a code out there somewhere that has it for half price. There's usually a code if you check their Facebook page. So the first thing out is their card. And it says, "Please pardon our crumbs. As we transition to our exciting new look, you may receive different package designs in your NatureBox. Rest assured you are receiving the same delicious and high-quality snacks that you love. Thank you for your patience. We think you'll love the new look. Be well, the NatureBox team." Well, that was nice of them to let me know that they're changing their packaging. This is the card that I'm assuming has well, it does have a recipe on the front, which is the Taj Mahal chicken salad. And if you follow our our Naturals Who Lunch page, it's a Houston kind of meet and greet group. I will post the recipe on there tomorrow. And this back here shows you what is in the box. So, the first thing out of the box is Italian Bistro pretzels. And it actually has 4.5 servings in this bag. Italian Bistro pretzels. The next thing out are the whole wheat raspberry figgy bars. And 1 bar is a serving. They are basically they are a whole wheat sort of cookie and fruit filling. Next thing we have out is the banana bread granola, which my tiny person will enjoy. Like, he loves pretty much anything with bananas in it. Then we have the Taj Mahal snack mix, which I'm pretty sure he'll enjoy this too. Actually, I might enjoy that. And lastly, we have the lemon meringue waffles. So to recap, we got the lemon meringue waffles, the Taj Mahal snack mix, the banana bread granola, the whole wheat raspberry figgy bars, the Italian Bistro pretzels. And that is it for my NatureBox. Yeah, I'll post the information for it down below. And that is it for this unboxing. So, yeah. I'm moving through these kind of quickly. I will see you in the next unboxing. Bye, YouTubers.